student, let us start with the theorem. An n by n matrix A is orthogonally diagonalizable if and only if A is symmetric matrix. Next theorem is, if A is symmetry, then any two eigenvectors from different eigenspaces are orthogonal. Okay? Next theorem, definition of spectrum of A. The set of eigenvalues of matrix A is known as the spectrum of A. Spectrum of A means it is the set of all eigenvalues of matrix A. Let us see next theorem, the spectral theorem for symmetric matrix. An n by n symmetric matrix A. First is A has n real eigenvalues counting multiplicity. Means what? If A is a matrix of order 3 by 3 and A has the eigenvalues 2, 2 comma 2 comma 3. Means what? Counting multiplicity means here 2, 2 is repeated, but we are considering lambda is equals to 2 is first eigenvalue, lambda is equals to 2 is second eigenvalue, and lambda is equals to 3 is third eigenvalue. Means what? If A is matrix of order 3, then it has a 3 eigenvalue. Okay, that's why if A is n by n symmetric matrix, then A has n real eigenvalues counting multiplicity. Okay. Next is the dimension of the eigenspace. The dimension of the eigenspace for each eigenvalue lambda is equals the multiplicity of lambda as a root of the characteristic equation. See here, what does this property say? The dimension of the eigenspace for each eigenvalue lambda equals the multiplicity of lambda as a root of the characteristic equation. Okay. Students, consider this matrix. This matrix is matrix 3 minus 2 4 2 minus 2 6 2 4 2 3. Eigenvalues are minus 2 7 7. Okay. Means the characteristic polynomial can be written as lambda minus 2 into lambda minus 7 bracket square. Here multiplicity of lambda is 1 and here multiplicity of lambda is 2. So the for lambda is equals to 2, the dimension of eigenspace for eigenspace is 1, and for lambda is equals to 7, the dimension of the eigenspace of lambda is equal to the multiplicity of lambda. So here dimension of eigenspace for lambda is equals to 7 is equals to 2. So here is 2 vectors. Okay. See, the eigenspaces are mutually orthogonal in the sense that eigenvectors corresponding to different eigenvalues are orthogonal. And last one is A is orthogonally diagonalizable. Okay, if symmetric matrix A is symmetric matrix, then it is orthogonally diagonalizable. Okay. Next is spectral decomposition of symmetric matrix A. Let A be a matrix with orthogonal diagonalization as A is equals to PD P inverse, where columns of matrix P are orthonormal eigenvectors u1, u2, and so on up to n un of A that correspond to eigenvalues lambda 1, lambda n, lambda 2 and so on up to lambda n. D is diagonal matrix of n eigenvalues. P is an orthogonal matrix, so that P inverse is equals to P transpose by definition of orthogonal matrix. Therefore, A is equals to PD P inverse. P inverse is P transpose. So here P is equals to matrix u1, u2 and so on up to UN. D is a diagonal matrix. Lambda 1, lambda 2 and so on up to lambda n are eigenvalues. And P transpose, it is matrix U1 transpose, U2 transpose and so on up to UN transpose. Multiplication of these two matrices is matrix lambda 1 UN and so on up to lambda n UN into matrix U1 transpose, U2 transpose and so on up to UN transpose. Therefore, we get A is equals to lambda 1 U1 into U1 transpose plus lambda 2 U2 into U2 transpose plus and so on lambda n UN into UN transpose. Okay. This representation is the sum of lambda I UI into UI transpose. I runs from 1 to n. It is called the spectral decomposition of A. This is called decomposition because it breaks matrix A into pieces determined by the spectrum. Spectrum means eigenvalues of A. Each term in the decomposition is an n by n matrix of rank 1. Every column of lambda I UI into UI transpose, it is a multiple of UI for every I. Also, every matrix UI into UI transpose is a projection matrix in the sense that for all x belongs to Rn. The vector UI into UI transpose into X is the orthogonal projection of X onto the subspace spanned by U1. Okay. Let us see example. Example is construct a spectral decomposition of the matrix A that has the orthogonal diagonalization. Matrix A is equals to matrix 3, 1, 1, 3. And its orthogonal diagonalization is matrix 1 upon root of 2 minus 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 2 into matrix 4, 0, 0, 2 into matrix 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 2, minus 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 2. Solution. First of all, see what is problem. We have to construct a spectral decomposition of the matrix A that has orthogonal diagonalization is given. Okay. Let P is equals to matrix U1, U2. This is matrix P, this is matrix D, and this is matrix P transpose. Okay. So P is equals to matrix U1, U2, where U1 is equals to matrix 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 2, and U2 is equals to matrix minus 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 2. Then by spectral decomposition described above, we write A is equals to 4 into U1 transpose plus 2 into U2 into U2 transpose. Here, see here what is spectral decomposition. A is equals to lambda 1 into U1 into U1 transpose plus and so on lambda n into UN into UN transpose. Okay. This is here I runs from up to n, but here only 2 terms, so we write it up to 2 terms. A is equals to, here lambda 1 is 4 and lambda 2 is, lambda 1 is 4 and lambda 2 is 2. So it is 4 into U1 transpose plus 2 into U2 transpose. Okay. So first of all we will calculate U1 into U1 transpose. Okay. U1 is this matrix and U1 transpose is this. Their multiplication is 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. U2 into U2 transpose. U2 is minus 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 2 into matrix minus 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 2. Their multiplication is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Okay. Therefore, A is equals to what? 4 into U1 transpose plus 2 into U2 transpose, which is equals to 4 into matrix 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2 plus 2 into matrix 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 2. After calculating this, we will get matrix 3, 1, 1, 3. Okay. So this is the spectral decomposition of given matrix us see next problem. Construct a spectral decomposition of matrix A that has the orthogonal diagonalization. A is equals to matrix 1 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 1, which is equals to matrix minus 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 6, 1 upon root of 3, 0, minus 2 upon root of 6, 1 upon root of 3, 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 6, 1 upon root of 3, into matrix minus 4 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 7, into matrix minus 1 upon root of 2, 0, 1 upon root of 2, 1 upon root of 6, minus 2 upon root of 6, 1 upon root of 6, 1 upon root of 3, 1 upon root of 3, 1 upon root of 6. Okay. Solution. Here eigenvalues of a matrix are minus 4, 4, 7. Okay. U1 is the matrix or vector minus 1 upon root of 2, 0, 1 upon root of 2. U2 is equals to vector 1 upon root of 6 minus 2 upon root of 6, 1 upon root of 6. U3 is equals to matrix 1 upon root of 3, 1 upon root of 3, 1 upon root of 3, because this is matrix P, this is B, and this is P transpose. Sorry, okay. And P is nothing but matrix U1, U2, U3, where U1 is this, U2 is this, and U3 is this. Okay. Now we calculate U1 into U1 transpose. Okay, which is equals to matrix 1 by 2 0 minus 1 by 2 0 0 minus 1 by 2 0 1 by 2. Verify this. Next is U2 into U2 transpose, which is equals to 1 upon 6 minus 2 by 6 1 by 6 minus 2 by 6 4 by 6 minus 2 by 6 1 by 6 minus 2 by 6 1 by 6. Verify this. Next is U3 into U3 transpose. U3 is this matrix and U transpose is this matrix, which is equals to matrix 1 by 3 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 1 by 3. Okay. By spectral decomposition formula, A is equals to actually this formula is lambda 1 into U1 into U1 transpose plus lambda 2 into U2 into U2 transpose plus lambda 3 into U3 into U3 transpose. Here lambda 1 is minus 4, so minus 4 into U1, U1 transpose plus lambda 2 is 4, 4 into U2 into U2 transpose plus lambda 3 is 7, U3 into U3 transpose. Okay, put all these values, so we will get A is equals to matrix 1 1 5 1 5 1 5 1 1. Okay. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.